Hey, good morning, YouTube, and Yahweh Bless. I got on my belt, and I'm pretty much Planet Fitness. Y'all know where I'm going. I'm headed to the gym. Anyway, I was coming back to let you guys see how I got my ear tabs down overnight. No fuss, no nothing. I just unwrap this, and then, pew, I can go. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, okay? And comments are open, okay? So today I got on my Be Free Planet Fitness t-shirt on, and I have my workout pants. They have flowers all the way down the side, and I got my J-Scope belt on. I had to put that on after camera. But it was easier today. Like I said, the more you use this belt, the more you exercise, the slimmer your waist is going to get. Okay? So it's helping me. And like I said, I gave it a 10 yesterday. I give it a 10 today. Anyway, let's start. Okay, so like I did last night, I put it in a bun and I put my hair up because I was in the tub. And I was going to come back, but ladies, when you guys are in the tub, what happens is, what is this? Oh, tag. Okay. When you're in the tub and it's hot, it's going to steam up. Make sure that your hairline is tied down in the tub, because what'll happen is it'll start lifting, but you can tie it down and it should go back in place. There shouldn't be any problem. And I've heard that hair diagram, they have a new adhesive that is waterproof. But I am going to be ordering Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive from her website. Matter of fact, let me keep these in twist because I don't want this to get in the way of trying to do my ponytail this morning. Okay, so like I said last night, I'm going to wear the back down and have the front ponytail going on, okay? Okay, let me get my water bottle. Okay, got my water bottle. Okay. Oh, it look pretty good, guys. See? It's all down, all tacked down. Remember, these were where the ear tabs were coming up. And I'm just going to brush that up and get my ponytail going so I can get out of here. I just put on like a simple concealer under my eyes, and I also did my eyebrows, and I put some Vaseline on my lips, because who likes to go to the gym with a full face of makeup unless you filming and you gotta look glamorous while you work out. But my workout is gonna be like an hour, hour and a half. I'm not gonna be working out that much. Okay, I hate when the rubber bands, and these are the only little rubber bands that I use for my hair. Okay, so I got it out of the rubber band, kind of like finger combing it. And like I said yesterday, if I'm not looking in the camera, I'm looking in the mirror, because I want to make sure that I get everything in its place. So I'm going to wet down my ponytail and take my flat brush, start brushing. Ooh, I might be brushing into the camera. Okay, and I did do this unit with the silicone mix with argan oil, the product that I showed you guys yesterday. I did do a hair treatment on this hair. So first I'm going to wet it and make sure my ponytail is in place. Okay, there we go. And basically I'm gonna put my ponytail to the back because I'm going to put my scarf on because I know I'm gonna sweat and I don't want my lace to lift up in the gym. So I know I'm gonna leave the ponytail down and this down, but I'm gonna have the wrap over it, okay? So now let's take this side first and just kind of pull the ponytail over to this side. And because I'm so running late, I forgot I had so many phone appointments this morning. One of them was getting my daughter her annual physical. If you guys have kids, make sure the kids get their annual physicals, the immunizations, and they, skin test. And like my daughter, she's at that age where she needs that HPV immunization shot. So had to make an appointment for that too today. And then I had to call the state of Nevada to see where if my fingerprints came in for my RN license for Nevada. If I didn't tell you guys, yes, I'm trying to work wherever they will let me work with my RN license. It's time. I need my license back. Okay, so if you guys could see, that ear tab and all of that is down. It's not lifting up. Okay, so it's down the way I want it to be. I take my little brush. I'm not gonna put any product really on my hair because I'm gonna be in the gym this morning. So I'll just do like the sideburns, just slick it down like that. Just like that. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, and you see I'm trying to work it. Everybody's at school and at work, and I'm trying to get back to the house so I can cook dinner. I'm gonna make, I'm gonna try to make a ribeye roast tonight. Like they make, you know, you had the cuts of prime rib. Yeah, that's the type of beef I'm making tonight with mashed potatoes and asparagus. I'm not eating any mashed potatoes. I'm just eating the beef and the asparagus. I'm on like a keto diet, but I do splurge on carbs on the weekends because that's the time that I have to just relax and just eat carbs. But okay, so we're doing this side now, and you see I'm combing it. Okay, that ear tab is down, girl. It is down for the count. Okay, so this is a short video, but because I have to go to the gym this morning, I have to get it in. Yesterday I relaxed, I did hair, and then I relaxed. I didn't eat any carbs or anything, but I just kicked it with my my family, the kids, and I try to make as many videos as I can. Erica J, I'm staying consistent. Okay. I'm staying consistent, baby girl. Okay, so then I tried to just do a little something. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna put any styling products in my hair this morning because I'm gonna be working out. So this is my look for this morning to go to the gym. Okay, I belong to Planet Fitness. I've been with Planet Fitness for about a year and a half, but I've got to be more consistent because this weight loss journey that I'm on, girl, I want to be tight, snatched in the summer because I love to go to the beach and I love to go to the pool. I love to swim. Yes, I'll be swimming in my unit. I be having to tie it down, but I be swimming in my unit. But yes. So, if you like how my ear tabs are down now, you like the video that I put out for you, how to get those ear tabs back down and skip that next installation and pay all that money, I'm a licensed cosmetologist. Just make sure when you are laying your ear tabs down, this part, don't try it. Because too much glue right here, it melts and it will get in your hair. As far as the ear tabs, I don't have any problems when I tell my clients, hey, just do it like this, do it like that, keep the ear tabs down. When are you coming? Okay, in another 2 weeks. Okay, I got you. But if you need a whole new installation, do not be cheap. Let's take it off and don't even try to even put it together. If you can't do it, let a professional do it. Let someone that knows how to lay frontals or closures do your hair. Because I've seen so many hairlines when they come to me that are just ate off, or it's got glue in it, or it's got a lot of edge control in it, and it ain't pretty. Well, I can't be talking like that. I'm too old to be talking like that. It is not pretty. Okay. All righty. So thank you, guys. Thank you guys for coming and joining me this morning. I know I'm late posting up this video, but I'm just now really getting up and getting out of here to get to the gym. I probably will go live a little bit to let you guys know that I'm at the gym, and then let you know that I'm out of the gym, and just to follow my little journey, okay, during the day, today. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you can catch these videos that I'm gonna be like trying to be consistent and put out there to help you, family, and also, you know, your lifestyle. Okay. Shouts out again, Erica J. Go check out her channel. I'm going to be buying her adhesive called Hold Me Down. Real soon, I will be reviewing it and using it on my clients so you guys can see how that works. I mean, we can test other people's products, right? Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. Yahweh bless. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment. Any comment that'll do my channel some good. And oh yeah, let me know some stuff that y'all want to know about here, that y'all want to see me do. And I'll try to make that happen. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this morning. Let me go get my workout and let me pretty much upload this video so y'all can see my ear tabs. they back in place. All right. Bye, guys.